Thanks for watching. This is James with Workspace Real Estate. Today we're going to cover a topic that's really popular among some investors, mainly business owners that are looking for owner-occupied space. How do I purchase a commercial property? If you have like say a fabrication shop or you're industrial, or if you have an office space that you're going out of and you need to get an owner-occupied property, many people make a lot of mistakes in the beginning, and those mistakes plague them throughout their process. Here's the right way to do it, and here's where any smart broker is going to recommend. First thing you need to do is to look at your budget and analyze what you can actually afford to pay for your real estate expenses. Ultimately, if you look at it carefully, you should be able to find a number that, as far as a price point, you can afford. So once you have that price point, let's say it's like $1.5 or $2 million. If it's less than that, that's totally fine. You're going to break that down, know monthly what you can afford to pay. That's going to be your cap. Second thing you need to do is then go to the bank to find out what type of financing can be lined up. You need to shop your options. Bankers' experience does matter. Sometimes it's better to get an experienced banker versus just who gives you the absolute best or flattest interest rate. I've seen many bankers blow up deals because they were inexperienced. They saw a phase 1 or phase 2 environmental. They didn't know how to read that correctly. They may have had some issues with interpreting documents, and because they didn't have the juice to push things through their committee, then deals end up taking more time and they end up blowing up where deals don't happen. So picking the banker next matters a great deal. So make sure you have someone experienced. Make sure you have a good interest rate on whatever deal you get. The longer amortization, the better. I'm not a fan of balloon payments at the end. I think that puts you in a tough position when you're a business owner. You want to get the longer amortizations. Anywhere from 15 to 25 years is the average. If you go SBA loan, that's even better. You can get a 20 to 25 year amortization. You can get just as comparable of an interest rate as well with less money down. So get your financing in place next. After you have that, that's the fun part. You get to start looking at properties. Most people start there. They start looking at properties before they have anything else done, which is horrible. You know, you're going to be in a bad position when you find something you think you want, then you spend 3 months trying to get the financing in place, and then somebody takes that property. So go ahead and do the financing first. When you're looking for property, go ahead and get an experienced broker that knows the market. They should have done deals in that market. They should know the brokers in that market. They should be able to speak to properties just off the top of their head, because that's all that they do. When you find somebody in that position, you're then able to kind of bring out all the options, okay, sort through them, go look at them and tour those properties, and then methodically negotiate to find out who's going to give you the best deal. Getting the best deal, I'll do that in another vlog. That's an art in and of itself. But once you isolate everything that could work and work your way backwards, it puts you in a much better position to get the best deal. So I hope that information was helpful to you. I'm going to try to do more of these in future vlogs. Thanks for watching.